Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Today I'm doing something a little different. I wanted to do a video called what I'm giving for Christmas, basically what I'm giving to my friends and family this Christmas season. I thought this would be kind of like a gift guide to give you guys ideas, but also it's cool to see what other people gift as presents to get some inspiration. So I wanted to do that today. Hopefully it's not too last minute, but I'm super excited because most of them will get here in time for Christmas if you're watching this when I'm posting. If you're looking for more gift ideas though, especially from Amazon, not only do I have many gift guides on this channel, but on Amazon, well yeah, on Amazon I have my Amazon shop where you can find tons of gift recommendations. I'm talking like thousands at this point. And then over on my Instagram, which is what I meant to say, I'm doing daily gift ideas until Christmas, so definitely watch those if you haven't already. Subscribe for more and let's get into it. So I'm so excited because today's video is brought to you by Ana Luisa Jewelry. They're my favorite jewelry company, no joke, because they are so incredibly affordable but also really good quality, and they're a sustainable brand. They're a carbon neutral company. Their packaging doesn't come with any plastic or unnecessary packaging, and they make some of my favorite pieces, which is why I'm sharing with y'all today, because I'm gifting to one of my friends who just recently told me that she's pregnant, but no one else knows, the mama necklace. Because when I was like 4 weeks pregnant, I worked with Ana Luisa and I got myself the mama necklace, and when I tell you, it felt so fun wearing it for the first time. I was like, oh my god, this is like the first thing I get that says I'm a mom. If you watch my channel, you've probably seen me wear it. I wear it all the time. I love the fact that it's like small and dainty, but it still says mama, so I'm giving it to one of my friends for Christmas. They also gave me a 20% off code. I will put it right here and look in the description box below. They have so many giftable pieces, so many dainty pieces, trendy pieces. I'm obsessed. So whether you're shopping for someone else's holiday season or you're ready to treat yourself, Ana Luisa definitely has a piece for everyone. I will link my discount code and Ana Luisa down below. They're giving you all 20% off, which is great because their jewelry is already so reasonably priced. Thank you, Ana Luisa, for working with me, and let's get on with the video. Also, needless to say, if you're a family member of mine, a friend of mine, expect a gift. So get out of this video. I don't want you here. I love you so much though, but I don't want you to spoil the surprise for yourself. So I'm gonna be kind of vague for my friends, and that way I don't spoil it for anyone that's still here. I got one of them an insulated lunch bag that I showed in my gift guides. She works in a hospital, so I thought she could really use it, and like I love giving a functional practical gift, as y'all know. For someone else, I got him a sunglass case. He has a ton of sunglasses. They're always unorganized, so I thought the $16 sunglass case would be perfect for him. Also, for my friends that got married this year, I got them the little 2022 Christmas wedding cake ornament, and then I also got them this towel from Anthropologie that says cheers to many more years. It's currently on sale, by the way, for $15, which is such a steal. It's embroidered. It's really cute. It's like a little girly, a little neutral, a little wedding inspired, but you can leave it out. Then for other friends, I got them the salt tequila shooters. Basically, they're little shot glasses made out of Himalayan salt. That way when you do a tequila shot, you can just lick it. We have them, we love them, so I know our friends would too. For our other friends, I got them a set of coupe glasses from Amazon. One of them mentioned that they wanted to make more espresso martinis, and I was like, say less, that's what I'm giving you for Christmas. Anthropologie towels all around. I got some for my cousin. They had like a dog one that's very cute. I sent one to my friend since I'm not gonna see her. Another thing that I sent to that friend is this Anthropologie marble cheese board. They have two options. One is like monogrammed with like the letter, and the other one is just plain with the little symbol. For my other friend that also got engaged this year, I got the jewelry cleaner thing from Amazon. It's like a, I don't know, but it's supposed to help clean your rings, so I thought that would be perfect since she has a rock. Okay, I got my parents quite a few things. I got them both wireless charging stations. One of them has like the Apple Watch and AirPods, and then the other one is just a night lamp because they never have their phones charged. I don't know how that's possible. Then I got my dad a backup camera because he has like an older truck. He doesn't want to get rid of the truck. He loves his truck, whatever. But he hit a car in the driveway the other day, my brother's car. So I was like, you know what, this is a sign. I'm gonna get him a backup camera. It's just for safety reasons and it's for the best. So I got him that. I also got him an inflatable travel pillow from Amazon. I haven't decided if I'm gonna get another one for my brother. And then an automatic lock. We have it in our house. We use it every day. It's a Wi-Fi lock that you can either do your fingerprint, a code, a key, or you can unlock it from an app on your phone. They were on sale on Black Friday. So for my in-laws, I still need to shop a little bit for them, but so far I have the Stanley Cup, I have the foot massager that is heated, I have the under the sink organizer just because they're renovating their kitchen. We celebrate Christmas with my aunt, so I got her two things. I got her this ornament organizer because she has so many Christmas ornaments and she's moving. So I thought maybe this would be the perfect time for her to like not declutter, but like get rid of all those old boxes and put everything in its place. That was like 20 bucks from Amazon, and then she requested a hair dryer. So I found this Dyson dupe from Amazon. It's about to come in the mail, so I'm gonna open it and I'm gonna compare it to my Airwrap blow dryer and see how they compare, and then if it's not good, I'll return it and get her something else, and if it is good, I will give it to her for Christmas. And honestly, I still need to shop for two of my brothers, my brother-in-laws, but this is what I've gotten them so far. I got them a massage gun for your muscles and all that stuff. I got another one of them, the Zen Garden with the remote control holder. I just think that would be good for him. He loves like Japanese stuff and things like that. And then the 2-in-1 water bottle that converts from like a regular tumbler to a can koozie. I think like he would like that. And then I got my brother the mosquito trap thing, and I got him cleaning stuff just because my brother is truly a clean freak. So I thought, you know, I was gonna treat him. So I got him all sorts of Bissell products and the mirror cleaners and all sorts of things. He also just got a new car, so I picked up a car cleaning kit once again because he got a new car. I got my cousins so many random things. I got that set of pencil cases to match like each of their little personalities. The scuba dupe hoodie for one of them from Amazon, and then a ton of Lululemon dupes from DHgate. They've been asking for it for a while. They're like, oh, I'm dying to try it, blah blah, I don't know what size I would be, blah blah. So I just made like a huge order on Black Friday and I picked up a ton of things for them. Also a ton of things for men. I don't want to say who, but I got a ton of men's clothing from the Lulu seller just because I know this person would love that. And then I'm giving one of them the tote bag from Amazon just because she had mentioned to me that she needed a good like easy tote bag that wasn't screaming designer, because they don't live in the United States. So I thought this one was perfect. It's good quality, it's cute, and she would like it. And then for Olivia, like half of these gifts are probably for her. I am out of control. I don't know what to tell you. Last year I probably didn't get her anything, if I'm being honest, because I was like, she's a little blob, like she doesn't need Christmas gifts. Does she need Christmas gifts at like 16 months? No, but I couldn't help myself. I've gotten so many things. I got her some backpacks, I got her some personalized things with her name on it. Zara Kids and Zara Home for Kids has been my demise. Like they have so many cute things, so I couldn't help myself. I had to do it. I got her ski gear even though she's not skiing this year, but that was like my excuse. I'm like, well, it's a Christmas gift. I got her a pink snow bib and I got her a ski jacket. I did pick it up for 3 to 4 years old. Like that's the size that I got, and I'm obsessed. Like it's pink and I'm so excited for the day that she will eventually ski with me because I always ski on the same bunny slopes. So I'm so excited. I will say I'm pretty proud of myself because a lot of these things that are for Olivia aren't toys. I try to go a more like practical route instead of just like a lot of toys. And then I told my parents and like everyone, do not get Olivia toys. Like she doesn't need anything, please don't. So instead, I think I talked about this in my toddler gift guide, I'm asking for like zoo tickets, Disney on Ice, more like experience things, because God knows she has plenty of crap in this house. So guys, that's everything for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I wanted to do something a little bit different that still gave you guys gift ideas, especially if you're shopping or watching this last minute, just because I know it's so hard and overwhelming to watch a ton of gift guides and you're like, are you really giving, I don't know, your best friend a $500 ice machine maker? Probably not. So these are more realistic gift ideas, hopefully. And I'm so thankful that I'm able to give my family, friends, and loved ones these things for Christmas. But as always, I feel like Christmas looks a little different for everyone. Play the comparison game and watch these videos. So just know some years were DIY gift, to be honest, and some years the tree looks like this. But as long as you're healthy and with your family and with your loved ones, I don't think material things matter. I know that's extremely hypocritical of me to say, but I really do think that's true. So hopefully you guys have a healthy, Merry Christmas holiday season, whatever you celebrate. Thank you to Ana Luisa for working with me once again. I am so thankful because I'm truly obsessed with their jewelry. I wear it all the time. Like, you can see from now on how often I'm gonna wear the things that I showed you guys today. So thank you to them for working with me. Don't forget to check them out down below and use my discount code. And I'll talk to you guys very soon in my next one. Bye.